my Winjas. This is Naya, and this is your follow along cool down workout. So I just legitimately finished a workout, and I want to show you how I cool down, and I hope that you can incorporate these into all the workouts that we will be doing together. So the key reason why we cool down is to decompress our body. A lot of the workouts include jumping and like high impact or things that are rough on the joint. And when we decompress, we're basically creating that space in between the vertebrae, in between the joints, to make it all supple and feeling good again, so that the next day you're ready to hit it again. So, plus we want to bring our body temperature and our heart rate down gradually instead of just dropping off and not doing it. Plus, I really love a good cool down because it allows me to bask in the gratitude and in the endorphin rush that I'm feeling right now. Like, I feel like $1,000,000. And so when I do my cool downs, I just allow it to soak in. I tell myself how proud I am of what I've done, whether it be easy workout, just a stretch, but it's really important that you bring your mind into your workouts because you're gonna keep on driving that positive feedback cycle and that positive habit. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do 3 crab reaches per side. Why are we crab reaching at the cool down as well as the warm up? This exercise is so amazing for lengthening, stabilizing, stretching, and mobilizing, which is why I put it in the warm up as well as the cool down. Plus, it's gonna help you get stronger in that crab position. Remember, no premature crab reaching, so get up all the way, full extension, and then add the arms. Now we're gonna get into 3 spinal waves. Spinal waves are one of those exercises that, man, if you can do this, you are gonna live forever. Our spine loves to move this way. So get set, loaded beast. Follow the wave through your vertebrae. Take your time with this. Drop the hip, and then eyes go up. Now tuck the chin and start the movement again. That's one wave. Number 2. If you have back pain, shoulder tightness, you need to be doing more spinal waves. Oh, I lost count. That's how zoned in I am. So it's so important to feel your breath and to just allow yourself to sink into it. Just sink into this amazing feeling of that post-workout rush, that glow. And I know it seems as though we never have enough time, but you guys, we only need 10 seconds. Sit with me and let's just focus on our breath. Just breathe. Begin to feel so happy, feel so proud of yourself, and just breathe into it. That's your cool down. Please make sure you do this with me after every single full body workout that we do together. You're gonna leave just walking on cloud 9, which is how I feel right now. Thank you so much for being here with me. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Check the box, drop me a like, all the above. Thanks so much, guys. I'll see you next time.